How to load all modules in a folder? Could someone provide me with a good way of importing a whole directory of modules? I have a structure like this. I tried just converting it to a package by adding _in and _.py and doing from foo import, but it didn't work the way I had hoped.
List all python.py files in the current folder and put them as _all_variable in _init_.py.
Add the _all_variable to _init_.py containing. See also, this URL.
Update in 2017, you probably want to use importlib instead. Make the foo directory a package by adding an _init_.py. In that _init_.py add. Since you want it dynamic, which may or may not be a good idea, list all py files with listdir and import them with something like this. Then, from your code do this. You can now access the modules with etc. from foo import is not a good idea for several reasons, including name clashes and making it hard to analyze the code.
Python, include all files under a directory. For newbies who just can't get it to work, who need their hands held. Make a folder /home/l/foo and make a file main.py /home/l/foo. Put this code in there. Make a directory. Make a file _init_.py under. And put this code in there. Make two Python files, spam.py and ham.py under. Define a function inside spam.py. Define a function inside ham.py. Run it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.